Sometimes, it's not that we don't have beautiful clothes. It's simply that something feels slightly off. And often, it's a very small detail. In today's video, I'll show you the small styling mistakes that many women make, and more importantly, how to fix them. One, the shapeless sweater. If your sweater is too oversized and completely untucked, the body disappears. There's no shape, no intention. Elegance needs structure. The simple fix: choose a softer fit. Tuck it gently into a high-waisted tailored trouser. Add a belt if needed. Suddenly, the silhouette returns, and so does refinement. 2. The wrong coat length. A coat that cuts the leg at the wrong place can shorten your entire frame. Even a beautiful trench can look awkward if the proportions aren't balanced. Instead, choose a length that either reaches the knee or falls longer in a clean vertical line. When proportions align, everything feels harmonious. 3. Too much shine. Satin is beautiful, but when everything shines at once, it becomes distracting. Elegance is about balance. If you wear satin, pair it with something matte: linen, suede, soft wool. Let one fabric speak, not all of them at the same time. 4. Outdated denim shape. Very tight or very stiff jeans can feel heavy and slightly dated, especially when paired with long, loose tops. Instead, try a relaxed, curved leg shape, full length, structured at the waist. Tuck in your blouse. Now the look feels modern, without trying too hard. 5. Too many accessories. Large necklace, bold earrings, stacked bracelets, oversized bag. Individually, they may be beautiful. Together, they compete. Elegance loves restraint. Choose one focal point: a delicate necklace, a classic watch, one structured handbag. Let simplicity create power. 6. Unfitting trousers. When trousers are too long and pull on the floor, or too baggy at the waist, the entire outfit loses polish. Tailoring is everything. Your trousers should lightly touch the shoe. They should follow your waist, not fight it. A good fit changes everything, even with the simplest top. 7. Clashing colors. Bright colors aren't the problem, but when they fight each other, the eye doesn't know where to rest. Instead of contrast, try harmony. Ivory with deep red, camel with cream, navy with soft beige. When colors relate to each other, they feel intentional. 8. The wrong shoes. Shoes quietly control the entire mood. Chunky athletic sneakers with delicate satin can feel disconnected. If the outfit is soft and feminine, choose a shoe that supports that feeling. A slingback, a loafer, a refined heel. For example, if your trousers is short, try to avoid flat loafers and instead go for ankle boots that is above the length of the trouser. Balance creates elegance.
We don't talk anymore. We don't talk anymore. We don't talk anymore like we used to do. We don't laugh anymore. What was all of it for? Ooh, we don't talk anymore like we used to do. We don't talk anymore. We don't talk anymore. We don't talk anymore like we used to do. We don't laugh anymore. What was all of it for? Ooh, we don't talk anymore like we used to do.
9. The boxy blazer. Oversized blazers can look stylish, but when they swallow the shoulders and hide the hands, they lose structure. Instead, choose relaxed tailoring, not exaggerated tailoring. The blazer should follow your frame, not hide it.
Should've known your love was a game. Now I can't get you out of my brain. Oh, it's such a shame. We don't talk anymore. We don't talk anymore. We don't talk anymore like we used to do. We don't laugh anymore. What was all of it for? Oh, we don't
10. Too many prints. Multiple bold prints together can feel chaotic. Even expensive clothes can look busy if there's no visual rest.
talk anymore like we used to do.
Neutral bases are powerful. Let texture speak. Let fabric speak. But keep the palette calm.